Welcome back guys, I'm Sonia and we will be learning Python. In today's lecture we will talk about tuple and dictionaries. Let's dive into it. Tuple. It is a data type. You can call it a brother of list, except you can't alter it after you have defined it. That is, like in list, we can update our list, remove elements or replace elements. We can't perform all those functions with tuple, but you can call the data of any size to review. Like, let's see. X, Y, Z. Type, name, tuple, name, 2, 3. Because we know our index start from 0, 0, 1 and 2. Name 0, 2, 3. So tuple can store multiple data type at once and store multiple pieces of data at once, but they cannot be changed. Makes them excellent for a data when you don't want data ever to be accidentally changed or altered in any way. You can use tuple. We can also change our list into a tuple. Is apple, ball, cat. Type list. A is tuple A. Now type A tuple. Dictionaries. So if you have ever used a real life dictionary, you know that you have a bunch of words and each word has a definition for it. You look up to the word and get the definition back. Python dictionaries work in the same way, except they are much more powerful. It consists of a key and a value. First you look up a key in a dictionary, then you get back some values. Let's see. Student, then curly braces. So for this, I'm going to define the keys as student names and values are going to be students' ages. Let's see. Mini 10, Rock 13, Joey 11, Bunny 11, Bob 15, Emily 5. Let's see. Type students dictionary. You can see I have keys in inverted commas, then colon, then values, then comma separating another keys and values. Now notice each key is a string. हम बिना inverted commas के string use नहीं कर सकते वरना Python error show करेगा. So now we have dictionary containing bunch of keys and each key has some value. How do we access our data? We will write the name of the dictionary, then the square brackets, and inside it we write the key like this. Students, rock, and rock's value is 13. If we want to update our dictionary, what we can do? We can just assign new key and a value in the dictionary like this. Students, Harry, mm, 15. And if we will check students, Harry is also included. So if we want to update the age of any student, we will do the same like this. Students, mm, Joey, Joey is 11, so let's increase 12. Then students, Joey, 12. What if we want to delete any of the student from our dictionary? We will use del keyword. Del students, then student name, and like that. Let's see this. Harry. Now let's check students. See, Harry is deleted and Joey's age is also 12. Here I want to remind you, Python is case sensitive. So if you have entered the name in small or capital letter and while searching for it, you use different cases, it will show error. Let's see. Mm, Student rock, students, error, because in rock R was capital. Now if you want all the keys together, you can write students dot keys. Here you go. But if you want to pick one of them using index, you can't. Like if you goes students dot keys and index 2, it will show error. For indexing, we have to turn student keys into list like this. A is list student dot keys. Now let's see type a list and A is are all the keys. Now we can access them. A index 3, it's bunny. A 1 to 4, rock joey bunny. But by this you can't access values through keys. To access values you have to make another list of values. Then you can access them by index. But then also you can't access keys and values together. Let's check. B is list students dot values. Now B is 10, 13, 12, 11, 15 and 5. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. आगे आने वाली वीडियोस में हम डिक्शनरी को और अच्छे से जानेंगे. You guys are doing great job. Keep doing. We are proud of you. Thank you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Geekwizard. Thank you.